Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make white sugar scrub at home for your skin, for exfoliating dead skin cell and also removing dark spot from the surface of your skin. So guys, these are the things I'll be using. White sugar, you can use brown sugar, lemon juice, essential oil. Essential oil is optional. Almond oil, you can use any other carrier oil you have, and also honey. So I'll just go ahead and add some sugar in the mixing bowl, and then went ahead to add the other things that I need. And as we proceed, as we do the sugar scrub, I'm going to add more sugar until I got to the consistency I want. So if it's your first time to this channel, you are welcome. In this channel we make DIY for skin, DIYs for hair, and also some lifestyle. And so if these are the kind of video you like to watch here on YouTube, consider subscribing to this channel and also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, if you are doing your sugar scrub at home, always add honey, because this honey will help to moisturize and as well remove some impurity from the surface of your skin. And if you are using honey, use organic honey, because the one I'm using is organic honey. I bought it directly from the farmer or from the producer also. So this is not a store bought. The store bought are not that trustworthy. So if you want a better honey when you are using it, be rest assured that you are using organic honey. Buy it from directly from the farmers. So after adding everything together, I'll just go ahead and mix it with my spoon until I got the consistency I wanted. So that is it. It's very simple. You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar. I've done that many times. I have a video on I have a video when I use a brown sugar for my sugar scrub, and if you want to see that video, I will link it on this video so you go and see it. So per mentioned earlier, I will add more sugar until I got to the consistency I want. Exfoliate your skin according to your skin type. Like if you have dry skin, you exfoliate your skin. That is recommendable by doctor, by dermatology, is once in a week, because you already have a dry skin. So exfoliating your skin every time is going to make your face drier. So to avoid that, you have to exfoliate your skin once in a week. And if you have oily skin, because of the excessive oil you have on your skin, you can exfoliate your skin at least twice in a week, or 2-3 times in a week, depends on how you want it. So if you have a normal sensitive skin, it's just the same as once in a week, because you have to remove those dead skin cell. So guys, I'm satisfied with this consistency I want. This is how I want it. If you want it to be a little bit more of sugar, you can add more sugar, but this is how I want it. And I will just go ahead and add some in a bowl. The one I'm adding in a bowl, these are the ones I will keep in the fridge, and then I'll proceed to use the one that is left on a bowl. And before you exfoliate your skin, you have to wash your face with lukewarm water so that we open the pores on your face, so that when you are exfoliating your skin, it will exfoliate deeply into the skin. So, and if you are exfoliating, you have to do it in a circular motion on your face, gently. You are using sugar, you don't want to be hard on your skin. And also remember that the skin on your face is very delicate, so you have to rub it gently around your neck, your face, until it gets to every part of your face, but avoid your eye area. You don't want to do that. You don't want to exfoliate that place. So guys, that is how I do my sugar scrub, and this is how I use it on my skin. I have dry skin. I use it once in a week. So after I'm done with the exfoliating, I'll just let the sugar scrub sit on my face for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rest it out and follow up with my face soap and moisturize my skin. You have to moisturize your skin because after washing your face will seem so dry, so you have to do that. Thank you for watching. Bye.